In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI for email writing. If you've ever stared at a blank screen trying to craft the perfect message, this walkthrough will show you how to turn your ideas into a clear, polished email using Claude in just a few minutes. First, log into Claude AI. Open your browser and sign in with your account so you're on the main dashboard. A stable internet connection helps, and it's always a good idea to have your email's purpose in mind before you begin. Remember not to paste private or sensitive details into your prompt. Broad descriptions work just fine and keep things safe. Next, open a new chat. Starting fresh gives Claude the clean context it needs for your request. You'll see a blank message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll type your instructions. Now describe the purpose of the email. This is the most important part. Be explicit about who the recipient is and what tone you need. For example, say whether it's formal for a customer, friendly for a colleague, or somewhere in between for a general professional contact. Then list the key points you want to communicate so nothing is missed. You might include the main goal of the email, a brief background sentence, the most important details, and what action you'd like the recipient to take. Here's a simple structure you can paste and customize. Please write an email, recipient type, customer, formal, reassuring tone. Goal, explain a short shipping delay and set expectations. Key points, apologize for the delay, share the new delivery window, thank them for their patience, and invite them to reply with any questions. Constraints, keep it under 180 words and include a clear subject line. You can adapt this for a colleague like recipient type, colleague, friendly, concise. Goal, request feedback on a draft by Friday. Key points, link attached, specific sections to review, preferred deadline, and appreciation. If you want an extra touch, mention formatting preferences such as bullet-friendly paragraphs or a short opener, and specify whether you want a call to action button phrased as a simple sentence. Finally, send your prompt. Click the send icon or press enter and let Claude do the heavy lifting. The clearer your instructions and key points, the more accurate the first draft will be, saving you time and effort. You'll see a subject line and a body that reflect your tone, your recipient, and your priorities. And that's all it takes. By logging in, opening a new chat, clearly describing the email's purpose with recipient type and key points, and sending your prompt, you'll have a professional message ready to go in no time.